Don't you just hate it? You're doing a repair on your car. You got a repair manual maybe, and everything looks simple, easy, straightforward job. And then something like this happens. A bolt is broken. Supposed to look like this, but here you see the bolt head is sheared off. It was stuck in the socket and I had to use a hammer to get it out, and then it went in orbit. I don't know where it went. And these are kind of things that happens every now and then. And that's the difference between new cars and older cars. In the repair, sorry for the beep, it's a fire alarm beeping. Tells me it needs new batteries. So that's the difference. In the repair manual, everything they do is done on a new car. It's simple. And when you deal with older cars, these are things that happen all the time, every now and then. And you have to find solution to deal with it, because it's going to happen. Now I'm going to show you one way I use to get this out. There are several ways to do it. I'm just trying today to show you one way that I think will be good in this case. So I'm looking for, I take an old nut, put it there, and then I take my stick welder. I do have a stick welder. It's a combined stick and TIG welder. Don't use it that much, but in this case it's good for this kind of occasion. And I try to weld here, and then I should be able to unscrew it. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to start the welder. So it is welded now. Now we are going to wait until it cools off. It has to be really cold. We tap it a little bit. Now we wait until it cools off, and then we will see. So let's take the part here and put it here. I hope you can see here. Here it is, welded. It doesn't look so nice, but that's not important. What is important is that you try with the stick welder to put the stick deep, to push it in, not to weld only on the surface, but to really stick the welding stick deep in here. And then we use a spanner, an old one. It says, I don't know if you can see it, made in Enköping, and that's what they were before they became Backo. They only say made in Enköping or Enköping Mekaniska Verkstad. That's the same thing as a Backo, but before Backo. They are really good. And then maybe some penetrating maybe it breaks off again. That's not important, then we do it again if it breaks off. I'm not sure whether it's breaking off or coming loose. No, I think it's coming loose. Yeah. Otherwise it would have fallen off already. Still a little bit. So here you have it. It doesn't look pretty, but that's not important. So, as you saw, this time I was lucky. I made it to get this out. I need to get a new bolt and then I'm good to go. I have done similar things here. I welded this to a bolt that was stuck somewhere, and as you can see, I tried the last, I know, your battery. It happens every now and then, and some months ago I thought I was going to save them and make a video every time. Every time this kind of things happen, I'll see if I can make a video to show you different ways to deal with this issue. And this tray, I made this tray just out of a plain sheet of metal and just folded up the edges, and I use it when I got something here really messy, or like when I took apart the automatic transmission and stuff like that. It's quite easy to make this tray. Okay, thank you for watching. I have updates on my Cadillac and what's going on there coming soon. Thank you. Bye.